Hi, I'm Rohit Chaudhary and from the 2010-12 batch. Currently, I'm working as an AVP in corporate banking in NatWest Bank. I feel no less prouder than any other fellow IIM graduate or anything because I got the best of this institution. I have seen the growth of this institution in the last 13 years. We have not only grown in terms of students and campus infrastructure, but all India rankings as well. The kind of pedagogy and the faculty members which have developed over the years is amazing. I keep interacting with them in the through the course of sessions and lectures which I take here every year, and I've seen it growing just as I've grown in my professional career. Yes, thank you, Jaipuja, for it. I think any education institution, as much as this one, is just the best teacher that you can have. Not just one friend in your batch, it's the entire experience which the best friend, and I think the best word would be the guru. Jaipuri, really feel it's a guru which has taught me to the best of its capacity and to the best of my capacity. Public speaking thing was kind of a bit of a not the best forte for me. I always quote this instance even in my lectures that there was Pratibha ma'am who has taught us one of the finance subjects in derivatives. She mentioned in the class that the very casual atmosphere of the class, and she addressed that this is the last year you are giving money and coming to lectures. The next year onwards, you will have to take money and do some job. And that was a eye-opening moment for me. And I interned in RBS, which is now NatWest Bank. So when I joined NatWest, it was a very Eureka kind of a moment for me as to, yes, I am already prepared for this job because I did my internship there. And it was Jaipuria who facilitated me for that internship. NatWest groomed me in another way where I took a further step that I am also a part of the sanctioning team. So right from the idea of a loan where the screening part takes, I am now into a position to take the sanctioning authority and approve or reject a loan. So I think that way I have matured in the role-wise as well, which I feel very proud of. I think the most I have learned is about people and people management, because every person is different, everyone has a different role and responsibilities, everyone has a different background. To get the best out of it, I feel that the right job is to be assigned to the right person. I strongly believe that sometimes it's not you choose the job, sometimes it is the job that chooses you. These years and the right next 5 to 10 years are the most important years of your life, which will define the rest 50 years of your life. So give it a best shot. Dream big, aspire a lot, and it really keeps you motivating.